Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday video and of course based on the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart. So as you can see, we have hit perfectly our blue box for the wave 4. As usual, for this channel, we always almost hit the blue box. That's very nice. So we said in the daily, of course, that a higher potential that we move towards the downside, of course, for one more leg, wave 5. Unless, of course, if we are a little bit still corrective, but low possibility. And here we go, we move towards the downside. Now, the next target is, of course, in between the next blue box 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level. Yeah, so we're getting closer and closer to our CME gap, right? So we need to close this CME gap, as you know, which is exactly there. Here we go. This is our CME gap. We're getting closer to it. And yeah, basically we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3 in your bearish scenario for a 1, 2, and then 3. Then we're gonna have, of course, a wave 4 again towards the upside. Probably your wave 4 will come back to the same area of your previous wave 4. It's gonna be a little bit a sharp rebound, and then of course moving again towards the downside. And before closing the CME gap, of course, it's gonna rebound again for a wave 4, probably in this scenario here with this wave 4. And then finally, of course, moving toward the downside with a wave 3 for your orange scenario. Your orange scenario is this big wave 1, 2. And this is a very, very big 1, 2, meaning your wave 3 will be massive. And of course, or your wave 5, yeah, so it can be as well your wave 5. It can be your wave 3 short, but your wave 5 very extended, yeah, so we can see the same amount can repeat itself here, yeah, for the wave 5, closing this CME gap and maybe a little bit lower, and bringing us, of course, to the perfect level for a wave A, right? Because we are looking probably here for a wave A, right? In this impulse as a correction, right? A, and then B, as you can see, this wave B here. After finishing the wave A over there, we're gonna see a wave B and then C toward the downside. This is our bear market before the next bull run. And as I mentioned, it's going to be a very, very fast bear market and potentially also very shallow. I know that you are looking at that Bitcoin is moving toward the downside so much, but of course, this is, yeah, it's going to be, of course, a very shallow wave 2 here. Because in a bigger view, let's go a little bit on the daily here to explain what do we have. In a bigger view, you are in a big 1, 2, sorry, here. Big 1, 2, yeah, and then 3, 4, 5 for the cycle, and we might have ABC. So target for the bear market almost is the 66,400, probably because we need to invalidate anyway in case you still have 1, 2 here, and then yeah, then moving higher for a new bull run. Yeah, so these are the updates right now. For Bitcoin, and of course we are looking for the target in the blue zone, guys, so we have to be careful with it. I think, yeah, I delete the, I think I delete the target. Okay, let me put the target. So we have finished this. Let's remove it. Let's reset the target here. So we have a 1 here and your wave 3. So this is our blue box here. Next blue box for a 1-to-1 fib level, almost taken from the wave 1 here. But let me make it accurate. Here we go. Right. And here we go. So basically, this is exactly our target here between the zone. Yeah. So 82 or 83 can be, of course, a target and then rebound to the upside. On the KGT, let's take a look. So as we can see on the KGT, we have invalidated this bullish signal as of course expected in the morning analysis. And we said, of course, we have a lot of pressure from the top and we don't have any divergence here and any signal of strength. So yeah, we probably still moving toward the downside for this wave 5. The target is 83 probably, and then of course moving for a wave 4 in the, of course, magenta scenario. That was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.